everyone, welcome to Curry TV. Today I would like to share my version of air fryer chicken wings for you guys. This is an easy peasy chicken wings. This is so common in our household, especially during game nights. If I want to create something for their evening snacks for my kids, or even when you are putting together a party, this is a great one to start as an appetizer. So for my chicken wings, I like them nice and crispy. And did I mention this is oil free? So it's really healthy too. For when you're choosing your chicken wings, you can collect them over time if you're buying whole chicken, or you can buy chicken wings or chicken drumettes as is. Once you get them, you have to pat them dry so that it becomes, all the moisture is away, so that it becomes very crispy. The flavor that you want, you can make them into teriyaki chicken, you can make them buffalo wings, you can make it into this is an Indian version of the spicy chicken wings. So let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Got paprika, black pepper, garam masala, turmeric powder, and garlic salt. You could use the garlic salt with parsley or without parsley. That's totally up to you. I already measured all of this out and it's going to be in the description below, so feel free to check them out. This is 1 pound of chicken wings that I'm going to be using. So my method is very simple. Use a Ziploc bag because it saves you time and energy. So I like to flip them over, add all my spices in here and blend them. Okay. Did I tell you this is spicy chicken wings? Okay, now let's give it a let's add all of our chicken into this. Make sure to pat them dry, then that way it becomes nice and crispy for you all. If you like to use a spray so that the chicken wings don't stick to the bottom of the air fryer, you are more than welcome to do so. I'm strictly keeping it oil free. Okay, all of the chicken wings in my Ziploc bag, and we are going to close them. Let's get out all the air. Makes it so much easier. Okay, now it's time for the shakety shake or the massage. Alright, so I just rubbed it all in, massaged it, coated it well enough so that all chicken pieces got nice flavor into them. You can freeze them as this right now, and when you are ready to throw them in the air fryer, it will be good to go. First choice. Second choice, if you can marinate it overnight, even better. Third choice is that if you're running short, pop this into the freezer for 10 minutes. It will save you time, and then it also, the cold actually makes the chicken absorb all the flavor that is in there. That's why I like to use the Ziploc bag, because you can just layer them, stock them, and ready to go. This is also a great idea for meal prepping, so feel free to use all that. And we'll see you in 5 minutes. Alright, so our chicken has been resting in the freezer for 10 minutes, so it is ready to go. Give it about a couple of minutes before you pop them into the air fryer. The garam masala that I use is my own, so there will be a video of that in our description below. So please do check them out, and let's get this body rolling. So in my air fryer, I'm going to be setting my temperature at 390 degrees for 15 minutes. To get them nice and golden color and crispy, we'll have to increase the temperature towards the end of it. So first, we're going to air fry them at 390 degrees for 15 minutes, and then increase the temperature to 400 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how well you like your chicken wings. All right, so got that. The temperature is set. Let's place them. And it is very important that not to overcrowd them, because when you overcrowd them, the chicken wings, the air does not circulate around and it doesn't become crispy. So make sure to do this in 2 batches, especially for 1 pound chicken. That's what I have found. Give them a little space to absorb those flavor. I have chicken wings as well as drumettes in here. Pop them in 390 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, let's start. When it reaches the 15-minute mark, we are going to increase the temperature to 400 degrees for a nice golden color. I'm going to be air frying them for extra 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken wings. So stay tuned. So we have come to our final stages. It has been 5 minutes. I'm going to pop open and see how our chicken wings are. It's 20 minutes. So our air fried chicken wings came out so nice and juicy and crispy. So I have a bowl ready. I'm going to place them out. Our chicken wings are ready. Are you ready for the game night? I got dips as ranch and ketchup. I got my spicy, juicy chicken wings along with some veggies, celery, carrots, and cucumbers. And this is how we are going to be celebrating our evening tonight. This is healthy, no oil. So stay tuned for more videos on Curry TV. Thank you. Bye-bye.